If you work with documents in Microsoft Word, learning Find and Replace is one of the fastest ways to save time and clean up your text. Instead of hunting through a long document one line at a time, you can instantly find words or phrases and swap them out everywhere they appear. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can make quick edits like a pro. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's start with the easiest way to open the tool. In Microsoft Word, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. On the right side, look for the editing group and click Replace. If you want a faster method, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. That opens the Find and Replace window right away, which is perfect when you want to work quickly. Once the window opens, you'll see the Find What box. This is where you type the word or phrase you want to change. For example, maybe you want to replace an old company name, update a repeated typo, or swap out a phrase that appears multiple times throughout the document. Type the exact text you want Word to search for in that box. The more precise you are, the better the results will be. Next, move to the Replace With box. This is where you type the new text you want Word to insert instead. So if you're replacing one word with another or changing a phrase to something more accurate, this is where you put the updated version. Double check what you type here, because this is the text Word will use in every replacement. Now you're ready to run the command. If you want to review each result one by one, click Find Next. Word will jump to the next occurrence of the text you searched for and highlight it so you can confirm it's the correct match. This is the safest option if you want full control over every change. If the highlighted word is the one you want to change, click Replace. That will replace only the current selection and move Word to the next match. This is great when you want to make sure each instance makes sense in context, especially if the word appears in different ways throughout the document. If you already know every instance should be changed, you can use Replace All. This instantly changes every occurrence of the text in the document without stopping for each one. It's extremely useful for large documents, but you should always make sure your search term is correct before clicking it. One small mistake can update more text than you intended, so it's smart to review your words carefully first. A helpful tip is to use Find and Replace not just for single words, but also for repeated formatting issues, outdated terms, or long phrases that need to be standardized. It works especially well for cleaning up drafts, editing reports, and fixing documents that were written over a long period of time. If you want to go even faster, remember that Ctrl+H is the shortcut to open Replace anytime in Word. Once you get used to that shortcut, the whole process becomes much quicker and smoother. So to recap, open Replace from the Home tab or use Ctrl+H, enter the text you want to find, type the new text in, Replace With, and then choose whether to find Next, Replace, or Replace. All depending on how much control you want. That's the basic workflow, and once you learn it, you'll use it all the time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.